Hey, what's happening? What's going on? My name is Matthew Miller with Chartbulls Trading. We are a group of investors and day traders who have come together in a free chat room to talk about technical analysis and different opportunities to help each other make money. If that's something that interests you, I recommend you click the first link and come and join us. So, in my previous video, we talked about the new trading challenge. So in today's video, we're going to recap day one, which I just completed, and talk about what we're going to be doing in the future. So to get into it, first off, I want to give a major shout out to one of the moderators in the Discord, Zevius. I don't even know how you say his name, to be honest, but join the Discord, say what's up to him, and say thank you. As well as if you are wanting to join the challenge, you can get into this spreadsheet that he built for us. So right now we have 22 people participating in the 0.01 or equivalent challenge. You can start with less or more, depending on what you're wanting to do. And then we're just basically tracking end of day balance with our initial and then how much we've gained from the start, right? So for me, I'm the top guy right here. I made 13% today. So I made 0.0013, as you can see here, 0.0013, as well as my initial deposit of 0.01. So this is a brand new account just for this trading challenge. And this spreadsheet is going to be super helpful for everybody to be able to see kind of how we're all tracking. We got some people doing great already, 10%, 13%, 20%, 13%. And I mean, this challenge hasn't even really been going on for very long. So a major shout out to everyone who is participating. If you want to participate with us and track your gains and all of that jazz and trade with us, again, first link in the description. So let's talk about my trades today. I did a very quick short trade. What I did was I let it ride this uptrend. I saw this big candle, and then when I saw that we broke down back into the support, I shorted, and so or back into the resistance, I guess. And I was doing the resistance off of the volume profile, so I shorted at 74.78, a little under this resistance, so I could make sure I got my order filled. And then I rode it all the way down this support, and then we broke through on this big candle just now, and I sold at 78.57, which was just above the support right here. So I basically just rode it through these two volume wells on the 5-minute, and then got out of my position at 78.57, which basically ended up being pretty accurate because we did get this little trend reversal happening here for maybe another leg up potentially. But I don't care about that because I'm day trading and I got my 13% on the day, so I cannot complain on that. So again, all I did was I just shorted through the volume wells, exited my position. It happened to be a bounce off this EMA, which also lined up with the support, and I called it a day there. So that is day one of my trading challenge. If you are interested in learning how to day trade like me and all the other guys in the group, click the second link in the description. It is the Chartbulls Trading School. We do have a promo right now that if you do all caps YouTube with 3 exclamation points, you can get a discount. So if that's something that interests you, please do that. And again, join me in the Discord so that you can get on this awesome spreadsheet. Again, major shout out, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, no, I won't see you tomorrow. I am moving, so I'll see you at the start of next week for our next recap on the trading challenge. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and peace.